minutes here today. All right, here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5. Wow. Watch an engineer. That launch to the hole shot was outstanding. Holy guy. Your leaders at the Stitch It Up 47-yard line mark. About to come over the Northern Plains UAS test site hurdle. And lap 1 done. 26-0 engineer opening lap. You can hear him, you can see him, and he is a blur. Your top qualifier here as we work in round number 4, representing Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Daytona Beach. Daytona Beach, I think, first and third. Oh no, your leader with some issues. Y'all spin to death, and now black camera, but it's back. It came back. Fire, land, fire. Land, all clear, all clear.